Welcome to my video. Today I will be sharing some Python programs I have worked on for my college laboratory. This program covers a range of concepts and I will explain each one in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First up, we have the program to find the largest of three numbers. It uses simple if else statement to compare three integers and print the largest one. This is a great way to get familiar with conditions in Python. You can see the code here and the output. Next up, we have a program to swap without using a temporary variable. Python's tuple unpacking makes this a one-liner, showing how elegant the language can be. The common features are swap functionality, basic arithmetic operations, and program functionalities are swapping two numbers using tuple. Next, you can see the program here as well as the output. Now let's look at the program for finding prime numbers within a range. This program checks each number in the interval to see if it is divisible by a smaller number and prints only the prime numbers. The common features are looping through a range, checking for prime conditions, and the program features are prime numbers within the specified range. And you can see the program here and the output we get. We used if statements and for loops for this and the output. Next up, moving on, here a program that converts Celsius to Fahrenheit and Kelvin. It uses a function to calculate and return both values, showcasing Python's ability to handle multiple written values easily. And you can see the common features here, function with multiple written values and program features also. And the program here is, you can see the program and the output as well. Here function name, convert temp, and the variable cell, and we calculating the Fahrenheit temperature using Kelvin. Now another handy program I write is a multiplication table generator. Just input a number and it prints the table from 1 to 10. It's a simple and effective way to practice loops and formatted in output. The common features are input real and image function, looping, printing formatted results, prints the multiplication table for given numbers. And you can see the program here, just a 3 lines code and the output for the 7 table multiplication. Next up we have multiplication of complex numbers. For something a bit more advanced, I worked on adding and multiplying complex numbers. This program takes the real and imaginary parts as input, then calculates both the sum and the product using basic arithmetic. Now, program features are input real and imaginary parts, arithmetic on complex numbers, and the program features are computes the sum and product of two complex numbers and print them. And you can see the program here, which is a bit complicated but easy. And you can also see the output. Next up, here another cool feature, default arguments in Python. I created a function that performs addition and subtraction. If some inputs are missing, it uses default values. A great example of Python flexibility. You can see the program common features here, default argument values in functions, as well program features a function with default values to add and subtract three numbers. You can see the code here, just default values by using default values. Next up, and here is, and finally a program to check if a substring exists within a string. It uses Python powerful in operation to quickly determine whether the substring is present or not. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.